5 minutes, that's all it takes to build an app that tracks your money and calls you out when you're spending too much. But this isn't just a boring tutorial. We're going to learn the absolute golden rule of Flutter state management. Okay, boilerplate, get rid of Flutter default code at the very top. Void main runs my app, standard stuff. Created a class called expense tracker, passes home screen, extends StatefulWidget because we don't have a dormant screen. Things change on the screen. We create a register variable for our current amount and our messages. Then we create two functions that returns void each. One has to the current price and one removes. I passed an argument in the functions initially, but the lazy programmer in me, or wild claim, rallied against it, so we just did it better. setState is a Flutter built-in type and it accepts void. It only works with StatefulWidget. Without setState, whatever you alter changes in the memory but not visually, and over here we don't build apps that don't work. So now we're designing the UI, and God forbid there I forget to mention, and if you've been called in since the unofficial reign of Lorenzo de Medici, this video is not for you. Now we're going to create a controller instance, the one that grabs the user's input. That is why we use controller.text. Controller.text is a string. Then we are going to do .try pass or .pass to convert it to an integer or a double value in case that is required in your logic. Now we're gonna expedite the process, so we met with the 5-minute mark while pretending this entire app was built in 5 minutes. Now watch through, and if you can keep up with the pace, you may want to watch in less than 1x speed. Now if you want to watch me struggle through even simpler projects, subscribe. I am not, so don't be surprised that it worked. But we have a tiny problem. Anytime we click on invest or expense, even without adding a number, the text underneath change. Why don't you just tell me why and suggest how we can fix that? Thank you for watching.